Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is consonant digraph. Identify consonant digraphs. We will learn about consonant digraphs. So over here, when two letters, two consonants are placed together, they create a new sound. Okay, so that is known as consonant digraphs. So over here, TH has two sounds. TH, th as in thin, and th, the as in this. Next is ng sounds ng. Ng as in king. Ch sounds ch. Ch as in chick. Next is wh sounds v. Wh v as in wheel. Next is ink. Ink as in ink. Next is ck sounds k. K as in clock. Over here, say and write the consonant digraphs given above. So the first one is th, that sounds th and the. Next is ng sounds ng. Next is ch sounds ch. After that, wh sounds v. Next is nk sounds nk. Nk sounds nk. Next is ck sounds k. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को कॉन्सोनेंट डायग्राफ के बारे में बताया गया है। तो बच्चे इसको रीड करेंगे, अच्छे से उसका साउंड बोलेंगे और समझेंगे, ताकि ये उनको नए वर्ड्स जो है जहाँ पे कॉन्सोनेंट डायग्राफ्स यूज हो रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे ये उनको हेल्पफुल रहेगा रीडिंग में, राइटिंग में, दोनों में। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is practice consonant digraphs. Circle TH, NG, CH, WH, NK, CK in the word. So over here, the child has to identify the given consonant digraphs and circle them. So over here, the first word is thumb. So over here, TH sounds th. After that, ring. So over here, ng. Ng sounds ng. After that, it's chips. So ch sounds ch. Next is whale. Wh sounds v. Next is duck. ck sounds k. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए कॉन्सोनेंट डायग्राफ्स को सर्कल करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। सो प्लीज ब्रिंग इट टू देयर नोटिस दैट ओवर हियर कॉन्सोनेंट डायग्राफ्स जो है वो कहीं कहीं पे शुरू में यूज किए गए हैं, बिगिनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड, और कहीं कहीं पे एंडिंग ऑफ द वर्ड। जैसे कि बिगिनिंग है थ, च, व और एंडिंग है ng एंड क। तो प्लीज आप ये उनको बताते रहिएगा ताकि उनको आसानी से वो लोग आइडेंटिफाई कर पाए। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन। इन दिस पेज द टॉपिक इज आइडेंटिफाई कॉन्सोनेंट डायग्राफ्स। TH sounds th or the. Circle the words TH sound as in that is the in black color, and th as in think in purple color. So first of all, the child has to read the words over here and the words, the consonant digraph TH that sounds the as in that. So they have to color that, they have to circle that word with black color, and then TH that sounds th, they have to circle those words in purple color. So first of all, over here we have THEY, they, the. So here the child has to circle it in black color. Next is THROW, throw. TH sounds th. So over here I don't have purple color, so I am coloring it with blue color. So please emphasize the child on using the purple color over here. After that, it's thorn. TH sounds th over here. So again with purple color, the child has to circle the word. Next is thanks. TH sounds th. So again with purple color. Next is thumb. TH sounds th over here. So again they have to circle the word with purple color. After that it's them. So TH sounds the over here. So they have to circle it using black color. After that it's THESE, these. So over here TH sounds the. So again the child has to encircle it using black color. And the last one is this, the over here. Okay. So like this they have to complete the given worksheet. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को TH साउंड को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. अगर TH का साउंड that TH साउंड्स द है और तो उनको वर्ड्स को ब्लैक कलर से कलर करना है. और अगर TH का साउंड थ है तो उनको वो वर्ड्स को पर्पल कलर से कलर करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is practice consonant digraphs. Read and write the words. So over here, TH words, TH sounds the. So the first one is this, the as in this. So they have to read the word, trace it and then write it. Next is the as in that, the as in they, and the last is the as in these. After that it's TH sounds th word. So th as in throw. So again over here reading, tracing and writing practice. Th as in thumb. Th as in thanks. And the last one is th as in thorn. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को TH साउंड की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. TH का साउंड है ध और थ. तो बच्चों को यहाँ पे दिए गए वर्ड्स को रीड करना है, फिर ट्रेस करना है और लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is identify consonant digraphs. CH sounds ch and WH sounds v. So over here, read and write the words. CH words, CH sounds ch. So first one is ch as in chain. So they have to read it, trace it and then write it. Ch as in chick. Next is ch as in chair. Ch as in church. After that it's WH words. WH sounds v. V as in whale. So again over here reading, tracing and writing practice. V as in wheel. V as in white. And the last one is V as in wheat. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को च वर्ड्स और व वर्ड्स के बारे में बताया गया है. तो बच्चों को दिए गए वर्ड्स को रीड करना है, ट्रेस करना है और फिर लिखने के बाद ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is practice consonant digraphs. Solve the word sums and read the words. Also circle ch and v. one is done. So first is ch or ch. It's church. So over here the child has to circle ch and wh in all the word sums. So over here ch is already encircled. After that it's v, eat, wheat. So here the child has to circle wh sounds v. After that it's ch, ik, chick. So here again the child has to circle ch sounds ch. Over here v, ale, whale. So here the child has to circle wh sounds v. Over here it's v, eel, wheel. So over here again the child will circle wh. Next is ch, ain, chain. Over here the child will circle ch. After that it's ch, ips, chips. Over here again the child has to circle ch. Next is ch, air, chair. So over here again they have to circle ch. Next is v, ite, white. So here the child has to circle wh. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को कॉन्सोनेंट डायग्राफ्स की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. उनको दिए गए वर्ड सम्स को सॉल्व करना है, वर्ड्स को रीड करना है और उसके बाद ch और wh को सर्कल करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is identify consonant digraphs. CK sounds K and NG sounds ng. Read and write the words. CK words. So over here, it's duck. So the child has to read the words and then trace it and write it. Next is pluck. Then lock, and the last one is truck. So over here, please bring it to the child's notice that CK is the sound of CK is K and it is used at the end of the given words over here. So CK is colored in red color. After that, it's NG words. NG sounds ng. So over here the first one is king. Next is ring. After that sing. And the last one is wing. So over here, please bring it to the child's notice that NG, which are marked in red color, its sound is ng. So the child has to read the given words, trace it and complete writing it in the given boxes. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को कॉन्सोनेंट डायग्राफ की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. तो बच्चों को दिए गए CK वर्ड्स और NG वर्ड्स को रीड करना है, ट्रेस करना है और फिर लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is practice consonant digraphs. Color the circles with CK sound in orange and NG sound in yellow. Also underline CK and NG in the word. One is done. So here the child has to identify CK sound and NG sound from the given words. So wherever there is CK sounds K. So they have to color that circle with orange color. And wherever there is NG sounds ng. So they have to color that circle with yellow color. And after that they also have to underline CK and NG in the word. So first of all, the words that have CK sound over here are duck. So the child has to color this circle, and then they also have to underline CK. After that, next is suck over here. So they have to color this circle with orange color, and then they have to underline CK sounds K. After that, it's black. So over here also there is CK sound. So they have to again color this circle with orange color, and then they have to underline CK. After that, it's luck. So they have to color this circle with orange color, and then they have to underline CK. Next is the child has to identify the words having NG sound. NG sounds ng. So over here it's cling. So the child has to color this circle with yellow color, and after that they have to underline NG. Next is king. So over here also it has NG sound, and after that they have to underline NG. Next is ring. So they have to color this circle with yellow color, and then they have to underline NG. And then they have to color this circle as it's sing. So it also has NG sound with yellow color, and after that they have to underline NG. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को CK वर्ड्स और NG वर्ड्स के बारे में बताया गया है। तो बच्चों को यहाँ पे दिए गए वर्ड्स में से जहाँ पे CK साउंड यूज हो रहा है, CK दैट साउंड्स क, उसको ऑरेंज कलर से कलर करना है वो सर्कल्स को, और जहाँ पे NG साउंड्स ng यूज हो रहा है तो वो सर्कल को बच्चों को येलो कलर से कलर करके, और उसके बाद CK और NG को दिए गए वर्ड्स में अंडरलाइन करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन, in this worksheet the topic is identify consonant digraphs NK and SH. Read and write the words. NK sounds nk words. So the first one is sink. So the child has to read the word, trace it, and then write it. Next is thank. Again reading, tracing and writing practice. After that drink. And the last one is think. So over here please bring it to the child's notice that NK together makes sound nk, and over here they are used at the end of the words given over here. After that it's SH sounds sh words. So the first one is ship. After that it's ship. Next is shirt. And the last one is shapes. So over here let the child identify where SH is used. So it is used in the beginning of the given words over here, and it sounds sh. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को NK वर्ड्स और SH वर्ड्स के बारे में बताया गया है, तो उनको यहाँ पे वर्ड्स को रीड करना है, ट्रेस करना है और फिर लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन, in this page the topic is practice consonant digraphs. Over here the child has to write the missing letters. So the first one is pink. Over here NK sounds nk. Next is drink. So I is the missing letter over here, so it is NK sounds nk. Let's put SH and complete the words. So SH sounds sh, shoes, shampoo and shapes. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को कॉन्सोनेंट डायग्राफ की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है। तो सबसे पहले उनको यहाँ पे मिसिंग लेटर जो है वो लिख के ये वर्ड को कंप्लीट करना है। उसके बाद बच्चों को SH यहाँ पे दिए गए ब्लैंक्स में SH को लिख के ये वर्ड्स को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is revise consonant digraphs. Write the words which have the given sounds. So over here, TH sounds th and the. So TH, th as in thin, and TH, the as in this. So the child can write any other words that have the sound th or the. After that, it's CH sounds ch. So chick and chin. So they can also write any other words having the same sound. After that, it's WH v. So what and white. Next is CK sounds k. So it's thick and black. After that, it's NG sounds ng. It's ring and bring. The last one is NK sounds nk. So it's drink and think. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को वर्ड्स को लिखना है दिए गए साउंड को आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद। सो उनको ऐसे वर्ड्स लिखने हैं जिसमें ये सारे साउंड्स जो यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं वो यूज हो रहे हैं और लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। यहाँ पे जो वर्ड्स लिखे गए हैं वो एज एन एग्जाम्पलर लिखे गए हैं। वो लोग कोई और भी वर्ड्स लिख सकते हैं जिसमें यहाँ पे दिए गए साउंड्स का यूज हो रहा है। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is revise consonant digraphs. Connect the word to its digraph. First one is clock. So over here CK is the digraph that sounds k. After that it's thin. So TH is the digraph sounds th. Next is king. So NG is the digraph over here that sounds ng. After that it's chips. CH is the digraph over here. CH sounds ch. Next is wheel. So WH is the digraph over here that sounds v. And the last one is ink. So over here NK is the digraph that sounds nk. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को कॉन्सोनेंट डायग्राफ्स का रिवीजन करवाया गया है। तो बच्चों को दिए गए वर्ड्स को उनके रिस्पेक्टिव डायग्राफ के साथ कनेक्ट करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू।